மணலுடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கையிலொழுகும் சீராரும் வதனமென திகழ்பரத கண்டமிதி தெக்கணமும் அதில் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு திரை முதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசலை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரமை திறந்து என்று செய்ய மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
The graduation of the college has been called to distribute degrees, diplomas in various subjects of the college upon candidates who in the examination recently held for the purpose have been certified to be worthy of the same. I invite the principal of the college to deliver the welcome address and present a report of the activities of the college.
Distinguished Chief Guest, Professor M. Krishnan, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Central University of Tamil Nadu, Dr. A. Matthew, Chairman of MSSW, Mr. Muthukumar Thanu, Secretary, Mr. John Sakaria, Treasurer, Dr. Subhashni, Dean, Dr. Shakila Bashir, Controller of Examinations, Heads of Departments, faculty members, guests, parents, and dear graduates. It's a privilege to welcome all of you for the 65th graduation day of Madras School of Social Work. It is indeed a pleasant task to welcome and introduce our esteemed chief guest for the graduation day, Professor M. Krishnan, Honorable Vice Chancellor, and one of the most respected academic leader with more than 32 years of experience in teaching, research, and administration at higher education levels. Starting his career as a lecturer in the Department of Plant Science, Bharatdasan University in 1989, Professor Krishnan rose to be the chairperson of the School of Environmental Sciences of the same university in 2010. After a brief stint as professor of biochemistry at Central University of Rajasthan, he was appointed as a vice chancellor of Madurai Kamaraj University, where he served from 2019 to 2021. And took over as the Vice Chancellor of Central University of Tamil Nadu from August 2021. Apart from holding several positions in the universities he has served, Professor Krishnan has had a distinguished research record. He has gone as a visiting research scientist multiple times to Japan, UK, Hungary, Czech Republic, and Germany, and conducted research on emerging areas of genomics. He was also invited as a professor to teach a course at University of Edinburgh, UK, and has visited over 20 countries. Professor Krishnan's research contributions are remarkable. He has completed 14 research projects with grants amounting to more than 14 crore rupees. He has guided 6 postdoctoral students, apart from 23 PhD scholars and 25 MPhil scholars who have received their respective degrees. Professor Krishnan has 152 journal publications with high citation index, 8 book chapters, and 2 books to his credit. He has received over 33 awards and honors. Some of the remarkable awards are Young Scientist Award by Indian National Science Academy, elected as Fellow of Royal Entomological Society, London, UGC Cultural Exchange Award to Finland, and Tamil Nadu Government Scientist Award, to name a few. I record my sincere appreciation and thanks to our esteemed chief guest for gracing this occasion. It is indeed a great privilege for MSSW to host a renowned academician and an honor for the young graduates to receive their degrees from a visionary leader. On this happy occasion, I am glad to present a few highlights of the activities of the college in the last academic year. I am pleased to report that the college was ranked 4th Best College for Social Work Education by India Today for 2021. The National Institutional Ranking Framework of the HRD Ministry ranked our college as 30th among all colleges in the country. I'm glad to present a few highlights of this year. This year we had over 798 students on the rolls for all courses. About 68% of them were women students. Over 20 external experts were involved in curriculum development through the Board of Studies and Academic Council. Our students engaged with over 260 organizations for fieldwork and internships. We had conducted about 12 state and national level and international level seminars on a variety of topics ranging from HR to social work to inclusivity, social entrepreneurship, and other areas. Over 236 persons visited the college or joined online as trainers, guest lecturers, and seminars as resource persons. 52 students participated in seminars and workshops outside the college. Over 19 of them participated in competitions outside college and won prizes. The NSS volunteers and other students of the college have invested more than 7,000 hours of work as volunteers in the community in support of various social causes. Out of the 53 members of the faculty, 24 have a PhD degree and 19 have MPhil degrees. 55 papers were published in various national and international journals by the faculty members. Over 455 students were helped with scholarships worth 27 lakh rupees in this academic year. In the last year, we have provided consultancy services worth more than 1 crore rupees to more than 12 corporate organizations and NGOs. To name a few, Gandhigram Rural Institute, State Child Protection Society, FICCI Flow, Central TB Division, World Vision, and so on. In fact, some of the projects our faculty have obtained from central and state funding are e-resources for postgraduate students and research scholars of social work funded by Gandhigram Rural University, correctional administration issues and remedies funded by the State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, study on psychosocial well-being of multi-drug resistant tuberculosis patients funded by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, and status of beneficiaries of sponsorship and foster care of ICPS scheme supported by State Child Protection Society, and a study on the VPDP as a tool of convergence funded by SARD, Government of Tamil Nadu. We were contracted by the State Planning Commission to prepare the strategic plan of Tamil Nadu for the agriculture, industrial, and social sectors. A social entrepreneurship incubation center has been set up through which projects related to environment protection, child rights, livelihood creation, and handicrafts are being incubated. A center for international collaboration has been set up to further collaboration with organizations abroad. An MOU has been signed with Trinity Western University, Canada, and International Center for Clinical Psychology and Psychotherapy, Germany. Through our regular community extension activities, we have reached out to communities in Chetpet, Oteri, and Karlapakam village to work on health, education, and livelihoods. Hundreds of families who suffered due to lockdown in the COVID situation in these locations were provided with dry rations. A food kiosk has been set up inside the campus to support the livelihood of transgendered persons. The counseling center of the college has played a crucial role in helping people during COVID by starting a helpline through which 230 persons have been helped. The achievements of the college are made possible only by the combined efforts of a number of stakeholders. The first among them is, of course, our graduates who keep the flag of MSW flying high. Let me wish you a bright future. The faculty members who taught and mentored the graduates deserve much appreciation. I acknowledge the sincere efforts of all the heads of departments under whose guidance the graduates have completed their studies. My appreciation goes to Dr. Subhashini, Dean, and all the administration staff. I place on record my appreciation to the former Controller of Examinations, Dr. K. Satyamurthy, the present Controller of Examinations, Dr. Shakila Bashir, Professor Joseph Eric Dunstan, the Additional Controller of Examinations, Mr. Suresh Babu, Administrative Assistant, and staff of the Office of the COE, whose untiring efforts ensured that you are getting your degrees today. My heartfelt thanks to the Board of Management of MSW, particularly to the Chairman, Dr. Matthew, the Secretary, Mr. Muthukumar Thanu, the Treasurer, Mr. John Zakaria, and all board members for their involvement and unstinted support. Our record of gratitude to the Vice Chancellor of Madras University, Registrar and Controller of Examinations of the same university for providing the required academic support, and to the UGC, Directorate of Collegiate Education, RJDCE, and the Department of Higher Education of the Government of Tamil Nadu for supporting us in various ways. We dedicate the achievements of the college and your success to the memory of our founder, Mrs. Mary Clubwala Jadhav, and thank the Almighty for His gracious blessings throughout the year. Thank you. May I now invite our Secretary to honor our Chief Guest. May I now invite the Chief Guest, Professor M. Krishnan, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Central University of Tamil Nadu, Thiruvarur, to address the candidates.
My dear and respected, the President of this great college, Secretary, the members of the board, respected Principal, Controller of Examinations, Head of the Departments of the great college, parents and students' friends. Good morning to one and all. I am delighted to be here to deliver the convocation address after the long gap. Why? Because we have, witnessed the COVID for the last 2 years. I think I have to thank the college administration to got the special permission to conduct the convocation in person. I have to thank the government to give the permission to have the graduation day, having that more than 500 participants in this great hall. My dear students, today it's a very important day for your life. Why? Because now you are going to give the permission to be a graduate in this great college, and we are going to give the permission to wear the robe wherever you are going and hold your degree. More than that, the day is a very important day for your life. Why? Because after having that 3 years or 2 years degree in this college, you are always in interaction with your teachers. You are always in interaction with your parents. You are always in interaction with your administration. How you have to be a student in this college. You learn a lot of things through your teachers. Rather than your subject, you learn how to be in the life, how to follow the moral and ethics in your life, how to behave in your society. Each and everything is taught by your teachers. After having everything today onwards you are going to be a free bird. So after having this knowledge, what you are going to do that? My dear students, I accepted this convocation only because this college doing wonderful work in related to the social work. Our great leader Mahatma Gandhi rightly told that when the higher education is not going to reach or contribute higher education. So you are the people who are going to take the higher education to the society. Why I am telling this one, please note down very carefully. In India, we have 900 more universities, more than 45,000 colleges, 200 more research institutions. But none of the university, none of the college, none of the institutions are not reaching the global ranking. Immediately, don't think that we don't have the good teachers in the India. We don't have that good researcher in India. We don't have that good publication in India. Everything we have. Where we are not reaching the global ranking only because we failed to take the higher education to the society. I am so happy to note down by the report of the principal, this college got more than 1 crore by consultancy. I can say this is the first college got too much of money by consultancy. So only I want to register here. I think you are the runners to take our institutions in the global ranking. My dear students, before I am going to tell my views in my graduation day, kindly take 3 important people in your mind always. Number 1, the management of this great college, Madras School of Social Work. Why? Because they have provided all the facilities to you. They provided all that required things to you. Whenever you need uplift in the college, they are ready to provide. So, my dear young students, you have to recall our management all the time, wherever you are. You have to thankful to our management. You have to give something to give back to the college through your expertise. Number 2, my dear teachers. You see my teachers sitting in front of you. Where they studied, where they educated, where they worked. But now they are in that Madras School of Social Work. They are going to be a teacher. They are the leaders. They are giving almost all the knowledge to you to come up. So what you are going to give back? Wherever you are, maybe in the high positions, you have to prove that I am from such a wonderful college. And I am from that teachers where had given everything to my life. You have to give your life to the teachers. That is a very, very important thing. Number 3, என்னுடைய அருமைமிகு பெற்றோர்கள், what they have done it. They had given their life for you. Today they are sitting back to see my boy or girl going to get the degree today. For that, they lost their sleep. They lost their wealth. Even if you are coming to my village in Madurai, some of my mother, தங்களுடைய தாலியை அடகு வைத்து படித்த குழந்தைகள் அதிகம். But they are not expecting anything from you. What they are expecting from you is, my child is the best child in the education. My child is going to have a good job in the society. She or he is going to prove that the best person in the society. That's the thing they are expecting from you. So, my dear students, kindly recall all the time of your management, your teachers, and my parents, the whole lifetime, wherever you are. That is my request during this convocation day. After learning everything, now you know the technology. Now you know that how to reach the society. Now you know that how I am going to give the expertise to the society. Now you are getting all the permissions. But what you are going to do that? Now freely you are going to come out from the college, going to reach the society. Don't think that when you are enjoying the college, you don't know that what is our society. One side poverty, another side unemployment. All the villages are not getting good electricity. Today, we are all as a Vice Chancellor looking for, particularly in the pandemic period, how I can reach my education to the last child of my village with the complete internet facilities. Is it there? No. When I talk to the higher education minister of central government of India, he told that so many things. Finally, I asked that, sir, you come to village available in Madurai. Even my children are not getting that, what you call internet facilities. Kindly provide that. Then only our online education will get the success. That is a very, very important thing. Now you have to decide what you are going to do that. What you are going to do that to come out from the poverty, come out from the unemployment. How I can be an entrepreneur. Even your principal rightly told that in the morning. They are going to start the program with the entrepreneur program. That's the thing, we need that. You have to give. You have to give. Rather than that what you call employment, you can give the opportunity to be an entrepreneur. By that, my students, they can get more employment opportunity for the society. My dear students, kindly think about it. Now you should worry about it. How I am going to solve all this problem. How I am going to find out the solution. Even my secretary rightly told that. Today, everywhere new subject is coming. One side artificial intelligence. Another side big data analysis. First you know that what the subject is going to do that. We are talking last 5 years about the artificial intelligence. But there is no output today. Even only one mall at Thiruvananthapuram, where they are working completely through artificial intelligence, the procedures. No, boy or girl is working there. How we are going to implement? That is the thing you have to work for. I'm sorry, I'm in the convocation day. As I told that it's a very important day for your life. You have to celebrate the day today. But the same time you have to think that you have a lot of work to do for my society. Then if you are coming to that, what you call today life, the COVID, pandemic, I am so happy because of the pandemic. You all think that why? What we thought that before that I am the superior of the universe. The humans of the superior of the universe. But today, a small virus is giving that I can control you. You see, everybody is wearing the mask today. Who directed this one? Because of the virus. So what we learned today, we have to respect everything. We have to respect the environment. We have to respect the society. That's the thing I want to tell about it. Even the great scientist Einstein rightly told that I don't want to see the successful man, but I want to see a man with a human nature, humane nature. மனிதனை மனித நேயம் உள்ளவராக பார்க்க விரும்புகின்றேன். The great Einstein told that. That's the message I want to give that. Please, whatever the degree you are having, whatever the job you are going to get it, whatever the position you are going to enjoy that, but it's not going to help you. It's not going to help you. Live with a humankind with a moral and ethics in the society. That is going to help you. Apart from that, I want to tell that I want to insist to you. I don't know how many of you know that. Along with your education, don't forget our culture. That is a very, very important thing. Before independence, and my seniors are here, what is the wealth of our country? What is the money value of our country? But today, where it has gone? I don't know, my dear students, where you are coming from. I will give two examples where we completely forget about it, our village treasure. My dear student, how many of you know that there is a place called Thindikkal district? The famous Thindikkal lock is, I think, covered by almost all the part of the world. Today, where the technology has gone? Where the technology has gone? That is the Indian technology. But we never followed that. Number two, I don't know how many of you know that there is a place called Sattur near Rajabalayam. If you are asking anybody from that area, Sattur, even my students I am asking, what is the famous in Sattur? Immediately they say that, Sir, Karachevi is very famous for Sattur. But how many of you know that they are the manufacturers to produce the pilot pen nib for throughout the world? For throughout the world. Where's the technology has gone? My dear students, don't take it the other way. When I was Vice Chancellor of Madurai Kamaraj University, my village is very nearby. Even the university, when started, I went to see that Madurai Kamaraj University, the inaugural ceremony, with a half pant and the small shirt and everything, because I am from a poor village. I am seeing that Madurai Kamaraj University is coming over there. It's going to do a lot of things for my society. But I am sorry to say that 75 villages around Madurai Kamaraj University, rather than giving education, nothing is going to improve there. So, my dear students, I request you to do something for the society. Don't forget our society. So, what I have done, immediately after that, I am taking as a Vice Chancellorship of Madurai Kamaraj University. I did I requested my faculty immediately go to the village. Bought the center, I framed there, Societal Transformation Center. I mean, nothing. You don't want to build that, what you called that palace there. Kindly guide my poor village when they are getting the disease, which hospital they have to go, how to save the money, how to educate my poor village people, how to provide the drinking water to my students or village people. These are the things we have to give there. So that is a very important thing. This convocation, I give that, I put the request to you. Wherever you are, so only we have. The NAC is going to come to you. The very important task is Alumni Association. Even you are going to leave our college, as I told that you have to give back. Support the college to come up. Wherever you are, if you are seeing that you are junior students of this college, immediately you have to call them. Immediately you have to call them. To give the opportunity. I wonder that how this college is going from 1952, such a wonderful way. It's a very good administration. The people from, I think, a retired IAS officer, from the industry, from the education side, everybody is coming together and giving their contribution in the expertise. Now the college is maintaining in high level. Finally, I want to tell that, my dear young students, you can have your education. You can have your job. You can be an entrepreneur. Whatever you want. Be happy. But my request is, kindly take care of the environment. Today, that environment is very clean. One example I can say, when I entered into Madurai Kamaraj University, when I was living in the bungalow there, I couldn't see any animals inside. But when I am coming out from there, I could see that hundreds and hundreds of peacocks, hundreds and hundreds of doves, and also you can see the bats throughout that, what you call the campus. Because the COVID is giving a chance to the human being to keep that unpolluted area. So finally, what I want to say that, what type of a life I am looking for. I am going to say in Tamil, kindly, if somebody doesn't know Tamil, you can translate it. நான் எப்படி ஒரு வாழ்க்கை வாழ வேண்டும் என்று ஆசைப்படுகிறேன் என்றால், திண்ணையுடன் கூடிய ஒரு வீடு, திண்ணையுடன் கூடிய ஒரு வீடு, முதியோருடன் சேர்ந்து வாழ்வும் ஒரு வாழ்வு, சிட்டுக்குருவிகள் பறந்து இருக்கும் ஒரு கிராமம். திரும்பவும் சொல்லுகிறேன், திண்ணையுடன் இணைந்த ஒரு வீடு. Today, you can't see Thinnai in any house. You are not giving the opportunity to the people sit and enjoy that. No. முதியோர்களுடன் சேர்ந்து வாழும் வாழ்க்கை. That is a very, very important thing. You can enjoy that if you are living with your grandpa and grandmother. They are the expertise in all the field. We have to give the opportunity. Then, my dear young students, if you are coming from the village, நீங்கள் சிட்டுக்குருவிகளை பார்க்க முடிகிறதா? That is the indicator of non-polluted area. It's not there. So, my dear students, this is a very good day. Again, I am telling that. But all the things I told that, what you have to do that, But by that, don't get afraid to enter into the free life. You have to do. As our great Prime Minister rightly told that, you have to have that fit in India, skill in India, so many programs. Because so many graduates are coming, how you are going to differentiate one another? It's because of the skill. The skill may be in different level, maybe in communication in English, learning the foreign languages, computer expertise, what not. If I am studying that MA social work with the 20 students, how I am going to improve my skill? That is that skill in India program. So you have to follow that. The fit in India. I don't want to explain now because my time is over now. But what I want to say that when Modi is going to deliver that fit in India, only one example I can say that how many of you students know that today, even my IAS officer know that. Koli kundu vilayadrathu. You know that? What is that? Even some of the student doesn't know that. He is telling that if you are going to play the Koli kundu, how your fingers are going to get the strength. If the fingers are going to get the strength, your handwritings are very good. If your handwritings are very good, the gray area of your brain is going to work. Who told that? A person as a Prime Minister sitting in Delhi, giving the example of that, a play in Tamil Nadu. How many of my students know that? The second one, what he told is Pannanguli. That's a play with the fingers with mathematics. The third one is Nundi Edithu Vilayadudal. You see that the three, if you want to learn more, kindly talk about with your parents. What it is very important. So what I finally want to say that we have everything. We have every culture in India. Every tradition in India, particularly from the villages. So along with your education, kindly take care of that. Don't leave India. So, my dear students, again I am telling that be a very good person in the society and be at what you called the human nature. Respect the elders, respect your parents, respect your society. With this, once again, thank you very much for that administration and the parents and students, friends, for giving the wonderful opportunity. Thank you very much.
I present unto you the candidates in person in the Department of MSW Shift 1 who have been certified by, after examination, to be duly qualified to receive the degrees of the University of Madras. Amrit Ilango. Archana Shri. Ashika. Vritti. Evelyn. Gavya. Suleka. John. Kartiga. Kirtana. Prabhu. Prashant. Rashid Basha. Revati. Shruti. Suvalakshmi. Tanya. Tilakavadi. Anto. Christy. Elsa. Harini. Kavya. Kishore. Mantrashri. Monica. Niveda. Revika. Satish. Saurabhi. Anisha. Gloria. Govardhani. Madana Guru. Pungadi. Srinidhi. Thank you, sir.
must receive the degrees of University of Madras. Ahil Prashant S. Ankita Subramanian. Aransa Pierce J. Bharat K.R. Blessy R. Dorothy Niveda yes. Devika R. Evert Martina Mary yes. Ginny Rajan Thomas. Joseph Samuel J. Josephine J. Nishant D. Nishanti J. Ramya Ramanan. Shreya Praveen. Tina Blessy. Yamuna C. Yokesh V. Praveen Raj yes. Shalini yes. Beniel Soundararajan M. Chelsea Sindhupriya V. Mahesh V. Siddharth B. Kumar. Saumya P. Sudarshan V.M. Esther M. Ilfana Ilyas. Kasturi Rengan S. Marita K. Paul. Pooja S. Yuvan Shankar E. Abhimanyu S. G. Sridisha P. Vijay Kumar D.
Mr. Principal, I present unto you the candidates in person, the Department of MPhil Psychology, who have been certified by, after examination, to be duly qualified to receive the degrees of the University of Madras. Anki Bose. Saumya Verma. Mr. Principal, I present unto you the candidates in person, the Department of MSc Psychology, Aarti S. Aishwarya S. Apurva K. Achaya S. Bhargavi G. Dolly. Kavya R. Catherine Golda. Niveta H. Ranjani R. Revadi Shri R. Sangavi S.K. Surya Prabha V. Shwati C. Tarashri M.A. Vijay Lakshmi V. Yashita K. Jain. Chandrasekhar B. Gayatri R. Amina Gulam Mohammed. Thank you.
Mr. Principal, I present unto you the candidates in person, the Department of Development Management, who have been certified by after the examination to be duly qualified to receive the degrees of the University of Madras. Aishwarya Selvarajan. MJ Arjun. Athena Rose Joseph. Jeno Christy Limia. S. Merlin Burnett. N. Nitin Kumar. A. M. Vishal. Xavier Francis. M. Ziadin. Deblina Shah. P. Nikila. S. Padmashri. Pranav Christine Praveen. Preeti V. Priyanka S. Saranya G. Varshini R. Vimal Varun Kumar. Denver Harrison. Divya RM. S. Isaac Samuel. Prithviraj KP. Solomon Kishore T. Swati S. R. Tamil Selvan. Yaramala Shyam Babu. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Principal, I present unto you the candidates in person in the Department of MAHRM who have been certified by, after examination, to be duly qualified to receive the degrees of the Madras University. Arun M. Abhinaya Arumugam. Deepika C. Helen Cheruba. Rishikesh. Kayal Willi. Kirtika. Maria Shirley. Musarat Banu. Navina. Pavitra V. Pun Shekhar. Raghuram. Ramraj. Ranganayagi. Sandhya. Sanjana. Sharanya. Sayoni. Shane. Shruti. Sweta. Vaishali. Vasant. Stephen. Francina. Rohit, Satish Kumar, Neeraj,
Mr. Principal, I present unto you the candidates in person in the Department of MA Human Resource and Organizational Development who have been certified by, after examination, to be duly qualified to receive the degrees of the University of Madras. Aishwarya S. Akshay Kumar BP. Apurva VS. Aarti Saumya B. Kathleen Meghana M. Chandni Dave NS. Dhanalashmi A. Evangeline Sonali R. Hifa Ramila. Joe Jacob. Joy Kenny. Kezia Miriam Matthew. Mary Pauline H. Megha Elizabeth Abraham. Miriam John. Monisha S. Nanduja M. Naveen Kumar S. Nivedita V. Padmapriya A. Preeti Tirupati. Ratika M. Ria Mariam Rachel. Rishika S. Madhumita S. Sadhana Kannan. Sahithya Srinivasan. Charlotte Annie George. Sharon Bianca Michael. Sri Shema. Sri Rag. Sujata B. Swati Parvati. Sweta B. Varsha V. Vignesh. Yakshita. Namrata Mogan. Dileepan. Vijay Bharat. Siddharth. Varghese Samuel.
Mr. Principal, I present unto you the candidates in person in the Department of Social Entrepreneurship who have been certified by after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degrees of the University of Madras. Akshaya S. Amruta S. Ashwin R. Chandran. Hema Bindu M. Nitya M. Maria T. Kakanato. Neeta Shri Parasa. Nitya Elizabeth Abraham. Sachin K. Siva Vadivelu D. Snega T.R. Vamsi Krishna K.C. Vignesh M. Yashna Singhvi. Thank you.
Mr. Principal, I present unto you the candidates in person in the Department of BSW who have been certified by after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degrees of the University of Madras. Sophia Trafena Rachel, Ananya, Jayashree, Monica Vartini, Maria Evangeline, Rakesh, Kavya, Prem Jonathan, Ranjana Ambrose, Aishwarya Shekhar, Davis Panna, Nirmal Sherin, Sushmita, David Asir, Balakrishnan, Bharati, Chandru, Darshika, Omar Abdullah, Mahendra Bharati, Titus Lionel Jacob, Vindhya, Ratchagan, Prem Charles, Aishwarya, Ravina Narayanan, Mugilan, Madhuran, Mokshavadi, Albert, Abhinaya Raju, Sahana, Carl Kane Ebenezer, Rakshana Sendil, Ashtalakshmi, Bharat Raj. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Principal, I present unto you the candidates in person in the Department of BSc Psychology who have been certified by, after examination, to be duly qualified to receive the degrees of the University of Madras. Mohana Priya T. Sirisha G. Jaswanti V. Abraham Philip Francis. Akashya. Yuvrani V. Mahalakshmi S. Janani M. Theodore Jackson Ellis. Supraja V. Suma Anita Babiranan. Deepika TN. Gautam Kumar. Mukesh Raj N. Bharati S. Akshaya KS. Srinidhi M. Ramya M. Shushma. Mahalakshmi S. Iris Godlin P. Vishnupriya G. Pavitra D. Kirtana B. Sangeeta Priya B. Urmila Jain A. Krishna V. Rosalind Jocelyn KS. Kathleen Navina. Kumudini Sivakumar. Srinidhi TC. Harshini. Varshini S. Murzita Zeren K. Oswin Ragul S. And Vidya Bharadwaj S. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Principal, I present unto you the candidates in person in the Department of Postgraduate Diploma in Personal Management and Industrial Relations who have been certified by after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degrees of the Madras School of Social Work. Sweta A. Varsha N. Anto Jo. Shamsundar G. Saranya D. Siddharth Mohan. Motilal S. Saraswati M. Rasik Musa. Madhusudanan A.S. Selvakumar S. Ramesh Takal. Sriram P. Sairam V. Sarah Helen. Jagadish R.A. David A.S. Geeta M. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Principal, under the laws of the university, I present unto you in absentia the following number of candidates who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degrees and the diplomas of the University of Madras in the respective departments. MPhil Social Work 4, MSW Aided 16, MSW Shift 2 7, MPhil Psychology nil, MSc Counseling Psychology 9, MADM 13, MAHRM 11, MAHROD 4, MASc 2, BSW 5, BSc Psychology 13, PG Diploma PMIR 8.
All the graduates, please stand up. Read your oaths after me. We shall, in thought, word, and deed, ever endeavor to be scrupulously honest in the discharge of our duties in our profession, and shall uphold the dignity and integrity of our profession and the honor of our university. We shall uphold and advance social order and the well-being of our fellow members, and shall devote all our energy to promote unity, integrity, and the secular ideal of our country. I dissolve the graduation ceremony. National Anthem.